You were born with individual strengths and a unique purpose. Don't let fears, false beliefs, or life's happenings diminish your influence. It's time to live and lead for impact. Host Kirsten Ross, expert of transformation, will help you defeat the drama and overcome the trauma that can stop you in your tracks. You'll gain focus, find confidence, and take bold action. Unleash passionate, purposeful you. Let's go.
Welcome to the Live and Lead for Impact podcast. I'm Kirsten Ross, your host, and this is episode number 124. Today I'll be sharing 3 secrets to stopping the constant complainer. Whining only works on you if you let it. But first, do you have some lingering relationships that tear you down, cause grief, have baggage, long histories? These relationships can and do zap our energy, steal our joy, drum up false beliefs about ourselves, and sometimes even stand in the way of achieving our dreams. Yes, addressing relationship stuff can feel overwhelming, but often remedies are simpler than you'd think if you know how to define the right fix. That's why I've designed the Relationship Renovation Roadmap. I can't wait to show you how to rock your relationships. Go to defeatthedrama.com/roadmap to check it out today. You're plugging along working and feeling productive with a vision of an on-time exit from work when you look up to see the Workplace Whiner standing in your doorway. Or perhaps you work from home and the constant complainer enters your space via phone. Oh no, not now, not today. The energy zapping, soul-sucking minutes that can drag into an hour, time you can never get back. You want to scream, slam the door in their face, or end the call, but you don't want them to feel bad or walk around complaining about you. Years ago, when I worked in an office full-time, we had an employee who walked around for hours every day holding a coffee mug. We called the mug his decoy. He'd make it appear as though he was just out on a quick jaunt to refill, but this was obviously not his true mission. Office by office, he'd stop in for his chat, sharing tidbits he'd heard along the way. He was also known as the department spy. Whiners and complainers can take many forms. They can be frustrated about coworkers or personal injustices. Whatever the topic, they are breeding drama wherever they go. They aren't just looking for an ear to get through a tough time. They are built to look for the issue, the challenge, the drama. And if a frustration isn't easy to find, they'll flip a story to become victim, wronged yet again. Your whiner may be at work or perhaps provide service at a place you frequent. Or are they a friend who calls nightly to share their woes? Many of my clients struggle to avoid whiners. Here are some of the key secrets I share with them. Pick the one that feels right for you and your circumstance. So this first one is the least direct, but usually yields a good result. A quick excuse stated as you focus intently on your screen or head out the door. I'm so sorry, I'm on a deadline. So can chat for 5 minutes, but no more. What's up? Now, I don't condone lying, so I'm not really suggesting that you say you're on a deadline when you aren't. I just think it's safe to assume that whether at work or moving through life, there's always some kind of priority looming. Just fill in the blank with the actual time frame or leave it out altogether if you prefer to make an instant getaway. And if your complainer connected with you through a call, just as soon as you answer, quickly say, you know what? I've got something going on. I only have 2 minutes. What's up? This next option is one that will achieve your end result, but over time. Ultimately, any whiner is looking for that sympathetic ear, that person who will commiserate with their opinions and validate their misery. They are intentional about their targets. It's no fun to whine to someone who's coming back at you with butterflies and sunshine, or worse, someone who will share strategies or specific actions the whiner could take to improve the situation. They're not looking for a new perspective. No, they seek someone to join them in their funk. So, I suggest that you begin sharing ideas about the more positive perspective they might consider as they describe their negative view. Or share how wonderful you think that situation sounds or how they might improve the situation with a proactive approach. You won't be the chosen one for long if you don't empathize or commiserate. I promise. The third option, there's no beating around the bush with this one. The more direct approach that will earn you the quickest retreat is to simply state that you've made it your personal goal to remain focused on all things positive. You've given up watching the news and will be happy to engage in problem-solving activities, but are committed to steering clear of complaining or any other negative, low-energy inputs. It will be immediately obvious to even the most self-absorbed whiner that you are not the ideal target. Some will put up a bit of a fight, but stand your ground. If you have any positive news to share, I'm all ears. If not, I need to stop you right there and get back to my work. So I hope these 3 secrets can help you. Just pick the one that feels right for each one of your complainers and get to work, sending them on their merry way to spread their joy elsewhere. And hey, maybe if you come up with some strategies, they might get the hint and start being a little more positive. In any case, there's no way to make your impact if every day and so too many minutes are focused on listening to the complainer. You've got big stuff to make happen in this world, and you need your time to be focused on making your big impact. So until next time, make it a great day. And in the meantime, head over to my website, defeatthedrama.com. Click on the podcasts tab and then head over to the show notes to find those for episode 124. And don't forget to check out my Relationship Renovation Roadmap. You can find that at defeatthedrama.com/roadmap. Now get out there and make your great impact.